Do we really choose our actions? Or does our brain decide before we even become aware of it? Modern neuroscience claims that your brain may make decisions seconds before you consciously choose. But the Quran says humans are responsible for their choices. So which is true? Do we have free will? Or are we just following biological programming? Today, we explore one of the deepest questions ever asked: human free will, Quran versus neuroscience. Stay with me. For thousands of years, humans have asked, am I truly free? Every decision we make feels personal. Choosing what to say, what to believe, what path to follow. We feel like authors of our actions. But philosophers and scientists have long debated whether free will is real or an illusion. Religion says humans are morally responsible. Science asks whether our brain chemistry controls everything. Today, neuroscience is bringing new evidence into this ancient debate. Neuroscience studies how the brain makes decisions. In famous experiments, scientists monitored brain activity while participants pressed a button whenever they wanted. Something surprising happened. Brain scans showed activity related to the decision before participants reported consciously deciding. In simple terms, the brain started preparing the action before the person felt they chose it. Some scientists concluded, free will might be an illusion. According to this view, your thoughts, desires, and decisions are results of neural signals, past experiences, genetics, environment. Your brain processes information automatically. Conscious awareness may come later. This idea is called determinism. It suggests every action has a physical cause. But does this completely remove human choice? Not necessarily. Many neuroscientists themselves caution against oversimplifying these findings. Brain activity appearing earlier does not prove decisions are forced. It may show preparation, not final choice. Think about it like this. Your brain generates options, but you still approve or reject them. Some researchers call this the veto power of consciousness. You may not control every impulse, but you can control whether you act on it. And this idea sounds surprisingly familiar when compared with the Quran. The Quran repeatedly emphasizes human choice and responsibility. It states that humans are shown the path and then choose their direction. One central idea appears again and again. Humans are given guidance, but they decide whether to follow it. The Quran describes life as a test. A test only makes sense if choice exists. Reward and accountability require freedom to choose. Yet the Quran also teaches that Allah has complete knowledge of everything. So how can both be true? How can divine knowledge exist alongside human free will? Knowing something will happen is not the same as forcing it to happen. Imagine a teacher who knows a student will fail because the student never studies. The teacher's knowledge does not cause the failure. Similarly, the Quran presents divine knowledge as awareness beyond time. Humans still make real decisions within that knowledge. This creates a balance. Humans choose actions. God knows outcomes. Responsibility remains with the human. Neuroscience shows the brain influences behavior. Emotions, memories, and instincts shape decisions. But influence is not compulsion. Your brain produces impulses constantly. Anger, fear, desire. Yet humans can resist impulses. You can feel anger but choose patience. You can feel fear but choose courage. This ability to override impulses is central to moral responsibility. Interestingly, neuroscience identifies the prefrontal cortex as the area involved in self-control and decision regulation. In other words, the brain itself contains systems designed for choice and restraint. Scientists still do not fully understand consciousness. We know neurons fire, but how awareness emerges remains one of science's greatest mysteries. Why does electrical activity produce subjective experience? Why do we feel like decision makers? Neuroscience explains mechanisms, but it cannot yet explain meaning, intention, or moral responsibility. The Quran addresses humans as conscious moral agents. It speaks to intention, sincerity, and accountability. Not just actions, but motives. And motives require awareness.
The Quran presents a realistic model of free will. Humans are free but not unlimited. We do not choose where we are born, our genetics, natural laws. But within these boundaries, we make choices. Think of life like a game. You don't choose the rules of the game, but you choose how you play. Neuroscience agrees that biology sets constraints, yet behavior still varies widely between individuals. People facing similar conditions make very different choices. This suggests freedom exists within structure. If free will does not exist, concepts like justice become meaningless. Praise and blame lose their meaning. Love, sacrifice, and responsibility become chemical reactions only. But human societies are built on accountability. Law assumes choice. Morality assumes intention. The Quran reinforces this by linking actions with consequences. Every decision shapes character. Every choice builds destiny. Instead of conflict, many thinkers see complementarity. Neuroscience explains how decisions occur physically. The Quran explains why humans are responsible for decisions. Science studies mechanisms. Revelation addresses purpose. Both explore different layers of the same human experience. One examines the brain, the other speaks to the soul. Maybe the real question is not whether free will exists completely or not. Maybe the question is, how much freedom do we have? Every day, humans struggle between impulse and intention, between desire and discipline. That struggle itself may be evidence of choice. Because without freedom, there would be no inner conflict, no guilt, no growth, no moral progress. So what do you think? Are our choices truly ours? Or are they shaped entirely by the brain? Does neuroscience challenge free will? Or help us understand how choice works? If this video made you think, like this video, subscribe to Ayat and Atoms for more deep discussions between Quran and science. Comment below. Do humans truly have free will?